Hello.
Hi.
Hello. My name. Yeah, I can hear you. My name is Lauren. What's your name?
Hello, Lauren. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Well, apparently you are seeing Ahmad here from Iraq in this profile, right? But
I'm not sure.
yeah, but my name actually, my this is my friend's account, Ahmad.
Okay. Okay.
He's a real person. But my name is Joilson. I'm from Brazil.
Okay. Nice. I did think your accent was different. So.
Sometimes, because we share the same regulators, and they don't know about that I am using his account. And sometimes I pretend that I am Ahmed's cousin, and I try to, change my voice.
But we have to be like.
Yeah. The problem is, Lord, that I don't know how to mimic the Arabic accent.
Yeah,
so,
it's very like.
yeah, very
In their throat. Throaty.
Throaty. Yeah. But yeah, it's a pleasure chatting with you today. And by the way, I love your hair. Such a beautiful and gloomy, right? Am I saying that correctly? No, gloomy, like someone.
Gloomy is like dark.
Oh, no, like the opposite. I'm sorry, Laura.
Like
I'm not supposed to say
like
that.
I will say you're saying it's glowy.
Yeah, I always confused by gloomy and glowing. Glowing, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank God you could understand my compliment.
Well, I just gave you a compliment to say to me instead.
Yeah.
Like, say this one. Say this one.
The first impression really counts, and I I don't want to like ruin my first contact with you. And,
Yeah. So, let me know your background. Like, where are you right now?
Oh, where am I right now? I'm in the park. Let me show you around.
It looks very nice.
Yeah, I was exercising a little bit, and then I kind of I paused, to have my brain
Great.
exercise.
Oh yeah.
My English a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And then, so what country are you in right now?
Brazil.
Okay, you're in Brazil. Okay,
Yeah.
so
I'm Brazilian. Brazil.
okay. Because I speak to so many different people, and everybody's all around the world.
The same with my tutors.
Yes.
I have tutors that are living like in different part of the world, and majority of them though are living in. There are these three, so to speak, top countries like Mexico, Spain, and no, four, Thai and Vietnam.
Yeah. I used to live in Thailand, actually. I was one of them.
How was the experience living?
I thought it was amazing. I was there for about 4 years or 5 years, so I was there for a long time, and no, it was great. I loved it.
So, did you get the chance to learn the Thai language or?
A little bit, yeah. But so I was a kindergarten teacher, so my language to do with the Thai language was very much based to do with talking to 4-year-olds,
A baby talk.
Yeah, basically baby talk. And when I would try and use these words with adults, they would be like, you talk like a baby. Can you imagine?
Oh my gosh.
So obviously that makes me more like nervous, and then I don't really want to use the language because they think that I'm talking like a baby.
So I don't know about Thai, but probably they share the same characteristic about this language, because the majority of the Asian language, it's flowing like hell. Did that bother you? I mean, can you?
No, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear that it's windy, but I can also hear you clearly, so it's okay.
The wind is so like hectic. That's great. But yeah, that's good because it's so hot here, and yeah, it's good.
It looks like a nice day, though.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I was looking forward actually to attending, a beach close to me, but unfortunately, I had a kind of appointment, in a few minutes, and yeah, I couldn't go to the beach. Like I was gonna show you like my amazing place to
Okay.
spend my Saturday, the beach. Probably next time in our next conversation.
Okay, that's good. So
So
what
back to our sorry.
what city are you in Brazil?
Yeah, I live in a city called Natal,
Yeah,
Natal, which
I've heard
means
of it.
Christmas. Oh, have you?
I
Where?
have. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh, Laura, you are full of secrets, and you wanna share with me. Oh my god.
Actually, it's because I don't know whether because I have a few people who I speak to on Cambly who are from Brazil as well, but I don't
Right?
know whether maybe one of them is from Natal as well, or maybe like I've seen it on a TV show or something like that.
I got you, got you. Yeah, Natal is located in the northeast area of Brazil, in the coastal area. We I mean, I'm a little bit biased to say that because I was born here, but this part of Brazil is the best, like the most. If eventually you decided to visit Brazil, make sure to visit this coastal part of Brazil, this coastal area, Natal, Bahia, Maceió. I mean, yeah, you're gonna be like amazed.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. So
I
I was
always
gonna
thought
ask
that Brazil.
you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you go.
Sorry. Yeah, because I have this like curiosity. In Asian language, they have this peculiar way to speak like with tones, like "Hello, Laura, how are you?" I'm sorry, I'm not ridiculing them. But in Thai language, they have the same
Yeah.
idiosyncrasy, so to speak.
Yeah, so one word can mean many different things depending on the tone
So
of the voice. I know. It's
pretty
very
crazy.
difficult. So it's like their vocabulary. So say like the way you spell it, like there's this one word that's called cow, right?
Cow.
This yeah, so this is just a word, but depending on if you go cow, 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 it has many different meanings.
All right, all right. I wonder, like, when they are really pissed off,
I know.
they like, they would say like totally out of tune. I
I think
mean, like,
it's just I think it's just they're so used to it, so then it's very easy for them.
yeah.
But that's
Imagine
why
it like,
it's so difficult, I think, for people who don't speak tonal languages to try and learn them. But then
yeah,
also the other way around, they don't have tonal. They
yeah.
have to go and learn it the opposite way.
I gotcha. Yeah. Even English, for example, when I in 2020 when the this freaking pandemic started,
Mm.
and I got myself stuck at home, like without anything to do, like productive things
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do. I have an American friend that we've been chatting quite a while,
Okay.
and we had a. I remember that we were having this conversation. It was before Cambly. In that time, I didn't know about Cambly, and I was having my spoken practice with her,
Yeah.
and she mentioned about that. I was My spoken English was a little bit weird because I was speaking like as if I were speaking in Portuguese. I was pretty much singing my words,
Okay.
and I was like, "Oh my gosh, really?" And then after that, I mean, I didn't take her critic as like
Like too
amazed.
hard. Like you didn't take it to heart.
I started to recording myself, and then I could find Cambly, and I started speaking here almost daily, and
Okay.
yeah, and I could say that my spoken English after Cambly like improved a lot. I'm still like pursuing this American rhythm, but
Well, I'm not American, so the way
no,
that I speak will be completely different than maybe what you're used to. I don't know what teachers do you usually speak with American teachers
right.
or British teachers?
Well, I mean, my regulars, they are Americans as well as South Africans,
Oh,
which
okay.
is a little bit similar to the British one. But I like trying. No,
I
yeah,
wouldn't
no,
I wouldn't say we're similar.
yeah, not that similar, but I mean, not the rhythm itself, but the words, like the
Yes.
pronunciation of the words. Like for
Mhm.
example, water, better. Like this peculiar way that British
Water.
say water.
Water.
But well, okay, Laura, let me share something with you. Why am I not speaking too much with British? Unfortunately, I kind of had some bad experiences with British tourists here. They were a little bit rude, because I am people person. I like making jokes, and probably they thought that English Cambly it's a so professional platform, so you are not allowed to to make jokes and stuff. And the conversation was not that good. And after that, I kind of got this trauma, and I'm afraid of chatting with British, and that I have this bad feedback. And
I mean,
yeah,
it didn't put you off that much as we are chatting with each other.
so yeah, so now, so today I kind of took my chance, like right now. So I was when I saw that you were from the UK, I was like, oh my god, and what now? But let's see, man. Probably she's gonna be like so friendly, and I'm gonna have this amazing conversation with her.
Hopefully so. Hopefully you have.
You are
But
amazing. I mean, I don't have anything against you.
but usually I think for Brazil, your time difference is a little bit tricky to speak with British teachers usually, I think.
I mean, there are like there are a lot of teachers here that teach in the like 24/7, right?
Oh
And
yeah, yeah.
yeah, and they can like pick up British. They are like at my disposal, but this is not a problem, so to speak. The problem is that like this trauma that I had.
hmm
my
Sometimes I think that British people maybe can be quite serious, and I have spoken to other students, and they've said things like they like the British teachers because they are more serious, and then
Exactly. Yeah.
and they think that maybe the Americans are a little bit too free or maybe not serious enough. So
Uh
I
huh.
think but also I think it depends what you want from the platform, right? It's like if you just want to chat and you want to have talk about something friendly, have like a
Exactly.
friendly conversation, okay. But if you want to do a lesson plan or something like that,
Yeah.
you need a different personality for each different thing you want to do.
Yeah, Cambly for me, it's more like to have this organic conversation, like to share my experience, to hear from my tutor's experience.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's pretty much that. And Laura, we are running out of time. I mean, we have
we
one
are.
minute left, but let me ask you something. Uh,
Yep.
I run a little small YouTube channel where I usually share my classes there. I like to encourage students not only to sign up here on Cambly, but also to give them the opportunity to watch, have this amazing class with my tutors. And I wonder if you could give me your consent to share this conversation.
Yeah, I do give you my consent. That's fine.
Thank you, Laura. Thank you so much. And I'll check
Okay.
out the schedule again. And next time, be ready to know the Brazilian beach.
Oh, okay. I look forward to it.
Thank you, Laura. Hope
It
you
was
have
so
a
nice to meet you. Have a great day.
you too. And see you soon.
Nice.
Bye
See you
bye.
soon. Bye bye.